I'm Richard.
I'm Maxim.
And we're Les Ensembliers. And you're watching In Bed
with Designers on House and Homes.
Why are you doing it with me?
Because I thought it would be better. We are at Humming Hill, which is our farm, which is about an hour south of Montreal. And we're here in our pool house. We've designed it to be a bit of a guest bungalow. At the same time, for us, it's really where we chill down in the afternoon or rainy afternoon and you don't want to be at the house, you just come here.
You can have a nap.
It's a quirky space, you know. We're quite lucky to have
a little hideaway. It's hard to hide a king bed in this type of space, obviously, but it is an important part of the whole story because we go from living space to bedroom and we wanted it to feel like a small little loft.
We just painted it white, put stuff here that we like and make it feel a bit...
Yeah, we layered it up in color and things that always made a lot of importance to us in any other places that we've had. I'm a collector by nature and I love my things.
He's a hoarder.
I might be a bit of a hoarder, but I love to have vignettes, little pieces of memories from travels or from moments in our lives or stages in our lives. And I really do connect with all of these elements. Yeah. I think he does too. He just wants to.
Oh, just wants to be bitchy,
but
it's my moment. I can complain to people.
What I love about it, nothing matches, and that's what makes it special to me. We don't have long hours of sleep. We get up very early. For us, having great night's sleeps, they're short, so they have to be great.
We get really good sleep here. That's about the only place where I can nap, but it's so good, you know, you get cross ventilation, the sound of the pool and the waves.
He's not a big napper, because there's always a list of things to do on the farm, but there is that moment where actually here, you're right, it is a moment of quiet and you know, even if you don't fall asleep, it's really a little haven that's very different from the rest of the farm. Obviously, we are addicted to our phones in the city. The phones are
on the nightstand,
unfortunately. And here, we don't even know where the phones are right now.
The running gag is we always lose them. It's an unnecessary device at the farm. We just find it, on le trouve quand on peut. C'est pas...
You did a Franglish there, didn't you?
I just slide that.
Franglish away,
Oh my God!
Actually, dog. It's his bed.
No, it's human allowed on the bed. That's more like the rule here because he's the one. He sleeps head down on the pillow, on the back.
Sometimes he needs the air, so he needs to go at the end of the bed, so move around. Zach, he's pushing us out. Obviously, we love him to pieces, so he owns the bed.
It's an octagonal building, so it's an odd shape. You know, it looks like a tent. And the corners of the octagonal have been either on one side it's changing rooms, and the other ones was the bathrooms.
Open shower,
triangular
on an angle.
shape, open shower, exposed to outdoor.
What I like about that area is that when you look around from the shower, all of you see is again the fields and amazing trees all around. So it's our Canadian views, and it's fun.
You know, in the country, you don't have curtains, you don't have blinds. It's like you wake up and you just
you wake
live
up
to the hours of the moment. You know, birds are waking you up, and it's all like you're living really with the shift of nature.
The mornings here are incredible. We all love it here. He does too.